So this is my Blue Yeti microphone. This is the microphone that I use when I am recording anything on a Mac or a PC. Recommended microphone by a lot of people. Really good brand, bought out by Logitech recently, and it does the job. And it's a good performing microphone. It's what a lot of people use. Nice sturdy build quality. Very versatile USB connection, so it'll connect to almost everything. However, there are times where one of these is going to be your main recording device. So your phone, capable of recording in 4K, reasonable sound quality, but nowhere near the sort of quality that you can get from the Blue Yeti. So although this can give you the visuals, it can give you the audio, but if you want better quality audio and the best quality audio that you can get, it's going to be one of these as opposed to the microphone on one of these. So basically, it was just a case of something needed to be found that would kind of transfer or change this USB port here, or this USB connection, should I say, here, into a USB-C port here. And that's where, after a bit of research, came across this little thing, which is it's an OTG connector. So what this is it's USB-C male on this side, and then a USB female on this side. So what this should do is this will connect into the phone like so, and then it's a case of just connecting this into that. Now I'm a bit unsure about whether or not this phone is giving out enough power through this connection to power up this Blue Yeti. When these are connected to desktops, I'm not sure if they're giving out more voltage or a bit more oomph than something like this phone would give, but let's see if it comes to life. And there we go. So there is enough power. There's enough power from the battery in the phone to be generating enough, whatever it needs, current voltage, whatever, to get this working and bring it to life. So this is drawing the power from this into this, which means in essence you could transport this around with you wherever you're going to be doing recording. Now ideally this is a desktop microphone. It's a bit too big and cumbersome to be carrying around. Ideally, if you want to use this connection and you want to get a better audio than the phone will give you, again I've said the phones are very good in terms of giving you the 4K and sort of video quality that you can get nowadays, but they're just not in the same league when it comes to something like this. You may want to look at a smaller USB mic. There's something that would maybe fit on your lapel, something like a Rode or something similar to that. I'm not 100% sure if Blue actually do a smaller one. I know they do a smaller version of this one, which was the Blue Yeti Nano. I'm not sure if they do a smaller one. That's something that I probably maybe need to look at. But yeah, this will work for now. If it will give us the better audio with the 4K that the phone can give us. So it looks so far so good. Now what I have done is I've recorded already something on the phone using the phone's microphone, and then I've also recorded something which is then recorded on the Yeti, so you can tell the difference and you can form an opinion for yourself whether or not you think it's worth investing in one of these cables. This cable actually cost me £1.69, which is a couple of dollars in US, which is really inexpensive, and believe it or not, that included delivery as well. I think the chap that was selling it must have been clearing them out at that price, because it's cost him, just as him or her, as much as what I paid just to ship it out to me, and his fees and what have you. So that was purchased on eBay for £1.69, just short of, or roughly $2. So it's an absolute steal, and it's done the job. This also means that I can connect maybe like a USB stick to this. So if I need to get information off this phone, or I need to get information onto the phone via a USB, I can do so through this USB port now. That will connect to basically almost anything that connects through USB. So this is where I'm going to pause the video, and the next clip will be the two video clips, one of the audio from the internal microphone on this, and then the audio from the Blue Yeti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So one thing that I forgot to do was to show you the settings on the screen recording. So you'll find the screen recording function in the main settings. So you swipe in from the top, swipe down again, swipe across, and then you'll find the option there for screen recording. And then here it will ask you how you want to record the audio. So you can have device audio, so sound from your device like music, calls and ringtones. You can have the microphone, or you can have the device audio and the microphone. In this example, we're going to have just the microphone. And then also for screen recordings, if you want to be able to see screen touches, then you can enable that too. And then you would just press start. It will count down from the top, and then that is recording now. And then to stop there, you will swipe down from the top again, press stop screen recording. Another thing to remember is when it's time to play this back, remember to take out the OTG adapter from the bottom. Otherwise it's not going to engage the phone speaker. You will think that it's not recorded audio. It has. You're just not hearing it because it thinks that the microphone is still attached. Once you unplug that OTG cable or the OTG connector, then the microphone will engage again.